Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics ready. Make sure your Google TV and your mobile are on the same Wi-Fi network, because most casting and setup flows rely on local discovery. Once done, unlock your phone and enable Bluetooth so the devices can find each other quickly. Open the Google Home or Google TV app and sign in with the same Google account. This links permissions and simplifies pairing. Do this first to avoid interruptions during the next steps. Now you initiate the actual connection. Open the Google TV or Google Home app and tap the cast or device's icon. You should see your TV's name appear. Tap it, and if the TV shows a PIN, enter that code on your phone. This confirms you control both ends. Make sure to grant local network permissions and microphone access if you plan to use voice commands. These permissions let the app stream media and send remote commands without extra setup. Finish by testing. Cast a short video or use the mobile remote within the app to navigate the Google TV interface so you know control and streaming work. If things fail, restart your router, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone, or reboot the TV. This resolves most discovery issues. If problems persist, repair in the app or, as a last resort, factory reset the TV. Be aware that resets remove apps and settings, so use that only when necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.